Make a great choice today with the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.